Okay, we'll take another take at this. So this is all the way down. This raises up to ride height, and it can actually go another level. You can go as high as you want as long as you're not stretching anything out. And I have another level set up so that it actually will go up to about 9 inches of ride height, and keeping in mind the ABS, the vent, and brake line. Don't want it to stretch them too tight. As you can see, it has reversible sleeve airbags in it. I've seen a lot of people on their airbag trucks that they will use the, well, I call them pancake style because I can't think of the actual name right now. But this is what this truck has. It has dual Fox shocks, you can see. Pretty simple setup, honestly. It also has the ride height sensors. The whole kit was from Kettleman. See, it's got the 4-link underneath of it, front and rear. Currently this truck is sitting on 37 1350s. I had it on 35 1250s and they just looked to be too small. So I finally upgraded to this size. We just built front and rear bumpers for it. They are the Move bumpers, the Classic Series. I didn't want to spend a lot of money on them because I am cheap, and figured we could build some, so we did. I feel like they turned out really well. Again, we built the running boards. They're real simple, just some 2x3 rectangle tubing. And then on the front bumper, we did a Move bumper as well. Had them do the dual cutouts for fog lights, LED lights, whatever you want to call them. Now, they built these bumpers around an 8,000 pound winch, but I felt like it was a little small for this truck. So we actually modified the mounts and the internals and are running a 12,000 pound Badlands Apex winch, their newest style, if you will, running it with synthetic lead. The handle will not work the way that it comes from the factory, so we modified the handle and actually made it to where a socket will fit it. Drilled a hole in the top, that way we can engage and disengage. Otherwise, real simple setup.